premium yet cost-effective solution for parts with internal threads and undercuts. Introducing the next generation of spring collapsible core, Dura Core, for internal threads and undercuts. Key features are: avoid segments contact during motion, easy cleaning and maintenance, short safety ring, improved cooling, reduce mold base stack height. Key attributes are: sequential opening, two-piece design, shorter safety ring, use of straight core pin, reduced collapsible core length. Benefits of two-piece design: effortless disassembly for easy inspection and cleaning with rapid, secure reassembly to minimize production downtime. Enhanced safety achieved through a shorter safety ring mounted securely on a safe plate. Optimize manufacturing and cooling efficiency with a straight core pin, leading to improved overall performance. Realize space-saving advantages with a reduced collapsible core length, effectively minimizing the mold base stack height. The space-efficient design accommodates more cavities, maximizing production output per cycle and boosting overall efficiency. Dura cores are available in round head or flush head forms. Dura Core advantages: during the mold closing phase, the large segments smoothly pave the way, allowing the small segments to follow suit. Small segments follow the large segments without contact. This ensures no additional load on the small segments during the mold closing phase. Large and small segments move without touching each other. This breakthrough minimizes wear and tear, enhancing durability of the Dura Core. Thank you.